If you're watching this review, you're probably considering getting a shotgun microphone, or you're on Amazon looking at the Takstar SGC-598 shotgun microphone. They make it for Nikon and Canon. I've got it on my Canon T6i. The sound you're hearing now is from a Untitled lavalier microphone. We're going to hear the difference between my Sony Handycam, used only for comparison purposes, the built-in microphone on a T6i, and the T6i with the Takstar SGC-598 condenser shotgun microphone. So let's get to it. So just for the record, I've got this recorded on a Canon T6i, which is over here. I've also got it recorded on a Sony HD Handycam. This is the unboxing for the Takstar SGC-598. Comes with a nice little bag, product qualified certificate, features, operation instructions, foam, proper handling, and the Takstar itself. So right now the one that's recording is the built-in microphone on the Canon T6i and the built-in microphone on the Sony HD Handycam. Both do shoot in 1080p. The Sony Handycam is shooting in 5.1, and the Canon, I'm not really sure what it's shooting in, but I'm guessing it's only 2 point nothing, possibly. Okay, now we're going to switch over and see what the Takstar sounds like on the Canon T6i. Alright folks, this is a sound test. We are approximately 6 feet away from the cameras, and both are recording right now, so you're getting the exact same audio. Alright folks, this is a sound test. We are approximately 6 feet away from the cameras, and both are recording right now, so you're getting the exact same audio. Alright folks, this is a sound test. We are approximately 6 feet away from the cameras, and both are recording right now, so you're getting the exact same audio. I've also got the lavalier mic, the lapel mic. At this point, I've connected the shotgun condenser mic on the T6i, so we'll see how that sounds. This is an audio test from 10 feet away. This is an audio test from 10 feet away. This is an audio test from 10 feet away. This is an audio test from 10 feet away. Alright guys, this is going to sound crazy, but there's not a lot of wind outside right now. So the best I can do is find a fan inside. It is pointing directly at the camera. More importantly, it's pointing at the shotgun microphone, the same side as the shotgun microphone. It's coming in from this side. So this little box fan is about 3 feet away from the camera. It is pointing right at the camera on the same side as the microphone. So you should be able to hear the wind. We'll see if there's any difference between with the shotgun mic and without the shotgun mic. We'll see how the Takstar performs. And there you have it. To conclude this review, I personally feel like there's not a whole lot of difference between the built-in microphone and the Takstar from close up and in an enclosed room like I'm in. You've heard the wind tunnel torture test. It sounds a lot better in the wind, and even from a little further away, it still gives better audio quality. It performs better in the wind. It's hands down winner. I mean, when it comes to overall, right, the bigger picture. My personal favorite, however, is still a lavalier microphone. You can't beat that because, well, it's super close. But if you're going to be outside, if you're going to be recording where you have external sounds that might interfere with your built-in microphone, this Takstar shotgun microphone is a definite winner. Thanks for watching.